guys. I was talking for like 10 minutes straight and I wasn't recording anything. So, I'm gonna do a look. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Also was having a, no ma'am. Also was having a, no ma'am, don't sit on that. Yamisi, out. You want a spanking?
The light is not on.
Go, oh, Kamali, no, come cut her light on in her room.
What? That one is not on.
Daddy's gonna cut it on. Do I look happy with you? Cause I'm not. And then wait, how do you say this?
Say what?
Is it Uoma?
Yeah. Uoma.
Who?
Uoma.
Uoma? Uoma? Okay.
Uoma.
Uoma? What?
Uoma.
Okay. All right. Okay. Where do we go? All right. So, hello. I'm back with you guys. We're gonna do another video of products that I've never used before. All new products, testing them out for you, with you. Yeah. So this is not for me to give my opinions. This is just because, you know, I try to support African American brands. And also was doing a five times points on female brands. So when I was walking around the store, I was like, well, what can I buy? There's a lot because you know they sell Beauty Bakery, but I'm really waiting on Beauty Bakery's breakfast palette to come out. And I'm like, they sell all these female brands. What do I buy? So then I was walking, and then I crossed this one. And my husband said, so if I say this wrong, oh my gosh, please charge it to my head, not my heart. But my husband said this is pronounced, I think he said Uoma. Uoma. He's the African, so we're gonna leave that in his lane. He says Uoma. Uoma. I would call him to say it, but I bought their Black Magic palette, and this is the Allure one. This was the only one where I was like, ooh, colors that I don't really have. And I swatched it, so you got, and it says Allure, verb, powerfully attract or charm. It says eyes of a goddess, yes please, you're looking at them. That's cute. But that's the palette, that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to do a look only playing with this palette. And I bought a lipstick. Y'all, look at these lips. This is so sleek and like sexy with the all white with just a little fire red label to tell you the color. So I got the color Fumilayo. That's what it looks like. It's just a pretty purple. Not quite eggplant. This stuff burns my lips. I don't know if it's supposed to. Oh, hold on. In every video, you know you're gonna see it. They need to sponsor me. And then I bought the foundation. So I'm not sure about this looks really light in the tube. But I got the color T3 Cool. Brown Sugar, T3 Cool. It says adjustable coverage. For medium coverage, use sparsely. For full coverage, use generously. For extreme coverage, apply multiple layers. This is so, I like this kind of, it's cute. I think it's kind of cute. Cute. So we're gonna try those today. Those are the only new things I'm gonna try. The palette, the foundation. I should have grabbed a concealer, and I thought about going back to the store and grabbing some of the concealers, but I'm just gonna work with what I have and hopefully do a look that I can rock with this purple lipstick. And if I can't, I'll just at least show you guys what the lipsticks look like. So yeah, I am trying this. This is my first time, have not worn it. I'm ashy, forgive me. I did just get out the shower. So yeah, I'm trying this with you, with you. We're gonna do this together. This is not for me in no way, shape, form, or fashion to give my opinion on the brand. That's not what I'm doing. This is just, you guys already know the drill. I'm not a makeup artist. I do makeup because I like makeup and I like the way it looks for me. It's not my goal to do it on other people. It's not my goal to to have a career as a makeup artist. It's just my goal to perfect my skill, possibly pass it down to my daughter so that she could pass it down to her daughters, possibly pass it down to my niece, whatever. You know, what I take from it and what I learned from it. So yeah, you guys ready to get into this look? I'm excited. I mean, I don't know what I want to do. I may have to pull out a transition color, and if I do, that's fine too. But I'm so excited to play with this palette today. So yeah, let's get into this look. Pause. Before we get into this look, before you go any further, if you've made it past me kind of doing what I do, talking, then you should go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button, hit that bell, so you don't miss anything. I'm just saying, you may as well, you made it this far. So let's go get into this look. And lashes. My eye is super irritated. But I went ahead and finished my lashes and my highlight off camera. I was gonna play. I think this lipstick's a little bit too bold. Like everything's bold. Let's see. All right, loves, this is the finished look. I don't know if I like it necessarily. It's different for me. I wanted to do yellow at first, but then the green was just like, girl, do the green, do the green, do the green. So this is what I came up with. I hope you like it. I just wanted to throw on a green shirt to match with my little gold layered chain that says blessed. Yep, it says blessed, and then it has a heart with a little Jesus medallion. So yeah, so I just threw that on to kind of just put on around my neck, child. Threw on some earrings, combed the wig, and then there you have it. So that's it. So if you like this look, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my social platforms that I'll be listed down below. So yeah, this is it.